Hello, this is Lamar Ellis with Drone Education Services. Welcome to 500 Flights and Counting. Today, the second floor framing begins. Another early morning delivery to get ready for the day. With no workers on the site, I took the opportunity to do another point of rotation. I'm getting used to naming my shots. This one I call the fly up and over low. Next, another delivery showed up. He was having difficulty putting his materials in the right place, and he used his forklift to start breaking some of the unused wood. The second floor framing is being completed with some new walls being installed. Just look at the project. It matches up with the plans. Next, the city surveyors showed up to make sure the house was being built on the site correctly. Now, I used my hover bird's eye rotation into a backward flyover. I was successfully pulling off diagonal upward pullaways and a fly diagonal down into. I didn't have nicknames for the shots yet, but they were coming. There were also the high altitude bird's eye pullaways and fly into for close-ups. There was even the flyover close-up. This was such a fun operation. The afternoon was spent observing the second floor ceiling beams being installed. I was also using the time in the air to test out minor adjustments I was making. The workers were perfect subjects to focus in on as I was centering my framing as I flew around them. I was figuring out how to film the best shots. The overall scope of activity was amazing. Look closely and you'll see a flurry of activity below. I was also using the time to realize what shots would and would not work. Flying in on the corner did not look as appealing as flying into center frame. I also learned that not all movement was good. It could get distracting if there was a lot of action and the camera was moving too slow. I hope you're enjoying what you're seeing. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Our tip for the day is to always make sure you check the airspace before you fly.